My name is Mario De Camillis. I work for Arcadia Shipyard as service manager and fleet captain. I'm the captain also of this wonderful Sherpa XL. Please welcome on board. On this boat we have two Volvo Penta with IPS 1350. We chose these engines as Arcadia yachts because of the performances, which means less consumption, about 20-25% compared to the competitors. Top speed, very important. With this yacht we can reach 23.9 knots. And of course the agility in the maneuvering, the handling on the boat, and the easy installation and everything also for the captain. Like I am on this yacht, it's very helpful to have this environment around us. There's no any other better way to maneuver all the boat, which is 23 meters, maybe more, like this one. And without any kind of problem, you can manage all the yacht in any kind of direction with any kind of weather. The benefits are first, much more space for the yacht. It helps to use this space for the crew quarters, for example, so for our personal cabins. And this is very important for people who live on board and work on the boat every day. And very good performances in terms of speed, low consumption, very easy installation because of the joystick, and very low noise during the navigation.